Good morning, dear children. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important thing in grammar, that is subject verb agreement. In the last class, we had a discussion about the rules of subject verb agreement. In this video, I am going to talk about an exercise based on subject verb agreement. So let's begin. Combine the following sentences using an appropriate form of the verb given in the brackets. Man and woman dash complementary to each other. Now here you see there are two singular nouns, and when two singular nouns combine, then we use a plural verb, and therefore the verb to be used here should be are. So man and woman are complementary to each other. Second question. Plenty of mangoes and bananas dash available in the season. Again, you find two plural verbs, mangoes and bananas, and therefore a plural verb is to be used here. So the verb should be are. Plenty of mangoes and bananas are available in this season. A dictionary and an atlas dash missing from the library. Again, there are two singular nouns, dictionary and atlas, and when two singular nouns combine, they combine, a plural verb is to be used. So here again the verb should be a plural verb. A dictionary and an atlas are missing from the library. The fourth one, and this is a bit interesting. The leader as well as his brothers dash to the same tribe. Now dear children, in this particular sentence you find two nouns. One is leader, which is a singular noun, and the other one is brothers, which is a plural noun. But the noun here, the verb to be used here should be is, and it is so because of the connector. In earlier sentences, the connector was and. So when the connector is and, then we generally use plural. But when the connector is, there are certain connectors like altogether as well as also. So when such connectors are used, then the verb to be used is according to the first noun. So the noun here, the first noun is leader, and leader is a singular noun, and therefore the leader as well as his brothers is belongs to the same tribe. Again, a singular verb because of the connector as well as, and when as well as connector is there, the verb follows the first noun. The first noun is leader, which is a singular, and therefore not belong but belongs. The next one, cats, simple one. Cats and dogs not get along. So cats is a singular, dogs again singular, but connector is and therefore a plural verb. Cats and dogs do not get along. The next one, the brothers as well as their sister. dash good at their studies. So again you see the connector here is as well as, so the verb is to be, verb will follow or should follow the first subject, or rather the first noun. So the first noun here is brothers. Brothers is plural, so the brothers as well as their sister are good at their studies, right? So you have to also be mindful of the character that you are using, right? Now the next one, a lot of houses dash collapsed in the storm. A lot of houses, which means many is plural, and therefore a lot of houses have collapsed in the storm. The next one, the children as well as their mother. Again the connector is as well as. There are two nouns, one is children, the other one is mother, and but the verb will follow the first subject, or rather the first noun, children, which is plural. So again the children as well as their mother are missing. Last but not least, a large sum of money was stolen or was stolen. It should be was stolen, because a large sum of money combined to talk about a particular amount. So when we talk about a particular amount, we always use a singular verb, and therefore a large sum of money was stolen and not was stolen. So dear children, we did some questions based on subject verb agreement. In the coming videos we are going to have more discussion. Thank you.